Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
Now, let's talk about close and quit. Do you see these Chrome browsers in the bottom of my taskbar? I must click X in the right corner to close all browser windows. Each of those windows showed up in my taskbar after executing our statements. Both methods, close and quit, will perform that task of closing a browser window. However, the best way to see a difference between the methods is looking at Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. We see chromedriver 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back to Eclipse and let's start with close. Write driver.close. And we see the description states close the current window. Let's run. That time, the browser window closed without me manually clicking X in the top right corner. Task Manager now shows chromedriver.exe 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Personally, I prefer to use quit, and you will see why. Let's check out the quit method by writing driver.quit. And the description states quits this driver, closing every associated window. Run. The Task Manager still shows chromedriver.exe 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. chromedriver.exe does not remain in Task Manager because the quit method stops running the driver, and that's why I prefer quit. The quit method quits the driver and closes the window, while the close method only closes the window. That's it for Selenium Browser Methods.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.